Thank you. I miss you so much. Yeah. Lovely. Oh my God. At ang hirap. I miss you so much. Yes, Jefferson Moirera. Where have you been? Oh my God. I miss you a lot, Jefferson Moirera. I miss you a lot. Get me some water, okay, so I can drink. Oh, Jefferson Moirera. Oh, guys, please do not fight on the comment section, okay? Excuse me for a while. I need to get some water. I'm thirsty. I haven't. Hi, Ross the Hunter. No fighting in the comment section. Okay. Hi everyone, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Of course, also guys, you can support me by sending super sticker or super chat. Just click the $sign below. Thank you so much. Did you improve your health? Yeah, Jefferson Moirera, now I'm okay and I feel better. I'm okay, totally okay, yeah. I'm totally okay now, guys, and I'm so happy that I'm okay again. I miss you, Jefferson Moirera. You know what? My channel is almost 11K now, and I'm so happy. I always happy to you. I always blessed to have you, Jefferson Moirera, Nexon, and Ross the Hunter, because the three of you guys, you are the first people who support my channel. That I'm so happy. You are more than okay. Yeah, Jeff, because before I was sick. I was sick, Jeff, and I undergo for a medication. I'm very happy that you are well. Thank you, Jefferson. Hi to Ross the Hunter. There you are, Ross the Hunter. Ross the Hunter, hi to you. Are you there? Anyone, guys, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Of course, also guys, you can support me by sending super sticker or super chat. Just click the $sign below. Always remember, Ross the Hunter, you are the president of this Wonder Love family. Okay, so I always with you. And I know you very well, Rose the Hunter. Ricardo, I subscribe. Farzan Maek, yes. Hello to everyone. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Of course, also guys, you can support me by sending super sticker or super chat. Just click the $sign below. Or else, that is my PayPal below. You can send it to my PayPal. Thank you so much, guys. At ang hirap, magpapanggap pa ako na ako ay masaya dahil ang totoo